Üstüne durmuyor.
A 15-year-old kid from St. Paul hopped on a train and headed west. Got a job at a St. Mary restaurant, washing dishes and making friends. The years went by like the seasons, and they brought him a lifetime of joy. He bought 10 or 12 acres of heaven with a paradise vantage point. And he built a cabin at the foot of the mountains that stole his heart when he was a boy. On North Fork Road, you're almost home. Get lost in Montana, where your heart can finally roam. Get lost in Montana, where the mountains call you home. Get lost forever in Montana. His son worked hard in West Glacier. His daughter sold souvenirs. And he always went back to Pole Bridge with his family every year. To his green tin roof in the Rockies and his sky so full of stars. His spirit lives in these mountains where Montana first stole his heart. On North Fork Road, you're almost home. Get lost in Montana, where your heart can finally roam. Get lost in Montana, where the mountains call you home. Get lost forever in Montana. Two words on a bumper sticker were all I needed to read. I found myself for the first time when Montana enchanted me. So get lost in the big sky country where adventure calls your name. Every moment is worth more than diamonds when you spend time in the treasure state. So get lost in the big sky country and let your heart lead the way.